Hello everyone, how is your day going? In today's presentation, I will discuss 9 tips for successful investing. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already done so. Like and share this video and remember to press the notification button. Now let's get started. 9 tips for successful investing. Number 1, set clear investment goals. You need to define your financial goals and objectives. Are you saving for retirement? Are you saving to buy a house or a home? Or are you saving for your children's education? Clear goals will help to guide your investment decision and determine your time frame. Number 2, use specific investment accounts. Use specific investment accounts based on your investment goals and objectives. For example, in Canada, ROESP, Registered Education Savings Plan for Children's Education. RRSP for retirement and for down payment for your first home. You can also use a specific account for things like emergencies and your day-to-day expenses. Number 3, start early. Do not procrastinate when it comes to investing. The earlier you get started, the better. The more time your money will have to grow, especially with the magic of compound interest. Number 4, invest for the long term. Investing and wealth creation is not magic. It's also not gambling. It takes time to build sustainable wealth. Patience is the key. You must have a long-term time frame in mind. Instead of trying to time or chase short-term goals, focus on a disciplined and systematic approach to investing and maintain a long-term investment strategy to benefit from the magic of compound interest. Number 5, diversify your investment portfolio. To reduce risk, you must spread your investment across different asset classes. For example, your portfolio can include stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities. Diversification helps to reduce risk by minimizing the impact of a single investment performance on the overall investment portfolio. Number 6, understand your own risk tolerance. You must assess your risk tolerance based on factors such as your age, your financial situation, your comfort with the ups and downs of the market. Generally, younger individuals can afford to take more risk, while those who are closer to retirement should be more conservative in their investing. Number 7, research and educate yourself. Knowledge is power. You can make investment gains in investing, but you could also lose your hard-earned money. Before investing, conduct a thorough research based on the potential investment that you want to undertake and understand the fundamentals. What is behind that stock, for example? What is behind the rising prices of a real estate market or a local real estate market? Stay informed about the market trends, the economic indicators, and the performance of the various sectors to make informed investment decisions. Number 8, Regularly review and rebalance your investment portfolio. You don't invest and go to sleep. You have to watch your investment. You have to periodically review your investment portfolio. How is my stock doing? How is my real estate doing? How are my bonds doing in the market? To ensure that they align with your investment goals and your risk tolerance. Rebalance by adjusting your asset allocation if necessary to maintain diversification and address any deviation from your target or targeted asset allocation. Number 9, seek professional advice if required. You can consider consulting with a professional financial advisor or investment professional who will provide you with personalized investment guidance based on your specific circumstances. They could offer their experience to you and provide you with valuable insight. We have to stop here for today. Remember that investing is a journey that requires careful planning and ongoing attention. By setting goals, diversifying, understanding risk, educating yourself, maintaining a long-term perspective, reviewing your investment regularly, and seeking professional advice, you are well on your way to a successful investment journey. Make sure to assess your own financial situation and consider talking to a professional for advice before making that investment decision. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already done so. Like and share this video, and remember to press the notification button. Until my next presentation, thank you very much. Merci beaucoup and bye for now.